So we're going to start talking about equations today. An equation always contains an equal sign. Alright, and an equal sign is exactly what it sounds like. I need one side of my equation to equal the other side of my equation. So we're going to check and see if 9, when plugged in for z, makes both sides of the equation equal. So I got the first step is to plug 9 in for z. So I got -2 equals -5 plus 9 over -2. If you recall, when I'm adding opposite signs, I take the difference and I keep the sign of the larger number. So -5 plus 9 is 4. So does -2 equal 2? Well, no. One is negative and one is positive. So this would not be a solution. So z equals 9 is not a solution. Again, same process here. We're going to put 6 in for b and see if the equation is equal. 6 minus 3 over -5 equals -15. 6 minus 3 is 3, so I got 3 divided by -5 equals -15. And -3/5 is not equal to -15. So it is not equal, so it is not a solution. Alright, this one's a little trickier, not too bad, a little trickier. I must plug -12 in for both p-values, so I plug the variable I know value into all the places it occurs in the equation. So it's -3 equals -9 times -12 plus 9 plus 10 times -12. So it's -3 equals -9 times -12 is going to be a positive. 9 times 12 is 18, 108 plus 9 minus 120, which is going to combine to be 12 plus 9 is -3. Oh, let's go through that. Okay, so let's do in order of operations again, all addition. So we're going to work left to right. So 103 plus 9 is equal to 117. And 117 minus 120 is -3. So those are equal. So -12 is a solution. Alright, so we're going to talk about the next thing we're going to talk about is solutions over a given domain. So given a domain, all that represents is my possible values that we're going to do functions later, but the equation is capable of. So we're going to put these values in and see if any of them are true. So 2 equals 6 times -6 minus 8 minus 5 times -6. Again, we're going in order of operations. So I'm going to do this first. So 6 times -6 is -36. Again, continuing order of operations. We have some more multiplication to do. So we're going to do that. So you have 36 minus 8. -5 times -6 is positive 30, so it's plus 30.
Are you teaching any classes, Greg? You're just hanging out today.
I'm teaching. And again, addition and subtraction along the same line. So we're going to go from left to right. -36 minus 8 is -44. And -44 plus 30 is -14. 2 does not equal -14. So -6 doesn't work. We're going to do that for all of the values. So the next thing we're going to do is -10. So if we do that real quickly. All right, so same order. We got 2 equals -60 minus 8 plus 50. 2 equals negative 68 plus 50. 2 equals negative 18. So that's not going to work either. You are responsible for trying 2 and 10. So if you'll pause the video right here and practice putting 2 and 10 in and see if those are solutions. All right, we're going to do number 15 next. Again, we're just plugging in. We're going to do the same thing we did on the last one. I will do 2, and then you are responsible for doing 2. So 6 equals negative 8 plus z divided by 2. We're going to plug in all these numbers for z. Let's start with 11. So negative 8 plus 11 divided by 2. Again, when we have the big division bars, we have automatic grouping symbols. Negative 8 plus 11 is negative 3. Negative 3 divided by 2 is not 6. So that is not, it is not 11. We're going to try 20 this time. So 6 equals negative 8 plus 20 divided by 2. Again, our grouping symbols are automatic. We don't have to draw them in. They are automatic. Negative 8 plus 20 is 12. So I get 6 equals 12 divided by 2. And 6 equals 6, which means 12 is a solution. So I'm just going to come up, I'm sorry, not 12. I apologize. 20 is a solution. I'm going to come up here, circle 20. I know that's a solution. Again, you are responsible for trying negative 5 and 4. Let's do last one. If we have x's on both sides, that means we're just going to plug in x's on both sides. So let's start with negative 1. I'm sorry, we're going to start with negative 1. So we get 5 times 10 times negative 1 minus 10 equals negative 5 times negative 4 times negative 1 plus 4. Again, we're going to go inside our parentheses first, and inside of our parentheses, we're going to do order of operations. We're going to start over in order of operations. So we're going to do 10 times negative 1. 10 times negative 1 is negative 10. So I got 5 times negative 10 minus 10 equals negative 5. Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. So 4 plus 4. And negative 10 minus 10 is negative 20. 4 plus 4 is 8. So I get negative 100 equals negative 40. And those are not equal, so negative 1 is not going to be a solution. We can try all the rest of them you want, or you can try all the rest of them you want.